The greatest mystery of the universe does not lie in outer space. It's not the enigma of galaxies, black holes. It's astounding to all. And the deepest secret don't rise at the atomic and subatomic levels. Each is also a standing thing. It in the world now being studied at the atomic and subatomic level by scientists. I strive to understand only a tiny portion of these words, just as we comprehend only minute fragments on what lies beneath great sciences fill books with the mysteries of the universe, and it's remarkable that many of these books, very good books, don't mention one word. They explore the mysteries of the universe, but there is one word that gives undimensioned. It's the consciousness of the universe, and the universe itself is that consciousness, and this consciousness is vaster and more infathomable than the universe itself.